Guys, this is my first tutorial video on YouTube, and this tutorial video will cover the React Native part. And before going to the basics of the React Native, I would like to tell you that how we can install the React Native. And there are few commands available. By using this command, terminal commands, we can install it on our system. And let's see how we can install it. Yeah, for this you have to open your terminal, and then yeah, after doing that, you need to make ensure that there are the commands are for the npm. These commands are npm commands, and for npm commands you should have a node installed in your system, and you should make sure that node is already installed. If it is not installed, by using brew command, brew install node, you can install it. And yeah, so it says my yeah, it says that node is already installed in my system. Okay, now we can use npm command, npm install create react native package. Yeah, by using this command, create react native package, we can create our project. Yeah, so it's installed now. Now we will use create react native app. Before creating any react native app, you should be you should make sure that you are in the right project, or you are on right path. So I just want to create a project folder in my document directory, and to view that, just use ls, and you will get all the uh, folders list out. Now I will move to the document folder. Yeah, now I'm in the document folder. Now this is the right time to create a react native. Yeah, I can create it. Now just write the project name. Let's write sample react native react. Yeah, sample project. Yeah, now it will create a react native project. It will also install several libraries, or it will integrate libraries, react libraries. Yeah, actually create react native app is not dependent on the native code. So if you want your code would have a native code, then for that we have a different way. I will tell this in I will try to describe this in the next video. Let's install this. Installing yarn. Instead of npm, we will going to use yarn here to start our development server. On that server, our react native app will going to run or build. It will take some time. And one more thing, to open a project, we need an editor, or to work on any React Native project, we need one editor. There are several editors available, uh, like Webstorm and Visual Studio Code. So, and but I'm using Atom here. Yeah. Now the project has been set up. Now we will move to our project. Just follow the steps. Yeah, yeah. Now we are in the project folder. Now we will start our server. Yarn start server. Yeah, this will start our React Native scripts, and we'll create a package. Okay. Now, meantime, we will just, yeah, just go with Atom. This is an Atom editor. We will just check this out, how we can open our project in this. Yeah, yes. I think my system is too slow. Okay, let's click it. Now, file. Okay, you can directly click here to open a project. Yeah, this is now we will move to document, where we have created a build. In document, just search for sample project. Yeah, yes, here it is. Now we will open this project. Yeah, this is. And one more thing, we have a one expo client. If you want to run your app, run your code or debug your code in mobile app, then we, by using the expo client, we can do that. You just need to scan the QR code. Yes, here you can see our server is ready now and our code is executed. And if you want to, run this app in your phone, then first you need to install expo in your mobile app from the store, if here, and then by using a scan QR, then after scanning the QR code, this will open the app and will execute this code. This is the, okay. So yeah, now here it is. Now, yeah, now the code is ready, and now we are ready to explore more in the React.js. So the next I will cover up the section I have to cover up in the next session.